We're going to take a look at using the plurality with the elimination method to determine who the winner of this election would be. So here is our preference schedule. The first thing that we need to do is determine the total number of voters. And the total number of voters is 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. And so we can see that we have 26 voters. Now we need to divide this by 2 to figure out what majority would be, and 26 divided by 2 is 13. 13 is a whole number. That's exactly half. We need more than half to have majority, so majority would be 14. So we need a candidate to have a total of 14 votes or more in order to win using the plurality with elimination method. So let's make up our chart. We have candidates A, B, C, D, and E. And underneath them we'll write down how many first place votes they have. So candidate A here has 10 first place votes. Candidate B has 5 first place votes. Candidate C has 2 here and 1 here, so that's a total of 3 first place votes. Candidate D has 4 first place votes, and candidate E also has 4 first place votes. We need 14 first place votes to have a majority, so none of our candidates have majority yet. So we eliminate the candidate with the least number of first place votes, which will be candidate C. So if we look back at our preference schedule, we can see that those 3 first place votes came from these 2 ballots and these 2 ballots. So these 2 votes will get passed from C to candidate A. And then this 1 vote is going to get passed from C down to candidate E. So now make up our new chart. A, B, C has now been eliminated, and then we have D and E. A now has 10 plus 2 or 12 first place votes. Candidate B has 5 first place votes. Candidate D has 4 first place votes, and candidate E has 5 first place votes. Again, no one has majority, so we need to eliminate the candidate with the least number of first place votes, which will be candidate D this time. And so here are the ballots where those votes are coming from. And so these 4 votes will get passed on down to candidate C, but candidate C has already been eliminated. So then they would go to candidate A. So these 4 votes will get passed along to candidate A. So make up our next chart. A, B, D has now been eliminated, and E. A now has 16 first place votes. B has 5 first place votes, and E has 5 first place votes. Candidate A now has majority, and so candidate A wins the election. So one thing that can happen that's not so great with the plurality with elimination method is that you can end up with something called exhausted votes. And these are votes that may not count. So this can happen if all the candidates below on the ballot have been eliminated. So that is all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day.